Good morning, traders. All appears on Thursday, April 22nd. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci System. This morning, we're opening up at critical resistance. Alpha Fibonacci software identified this. We discussed this with students days in advance. Yesterday morning price was in drastically different place. Yesterday morning price was at institutional key bullish point of entry. It was stunning, flawless morning. This morning, it's a very different trading range. This is the software in front of you. We discussed with students how crucial and critical powerful pullback is. Intelligent trader knows that without powerful pullback, entering into this level will produce results of a whole lot less than 20%. Institutions keep buying every single pullback. For intelligent traders, this is a gift. Buying at institutional point of entries, no matter how small or large account with precise entry, precise stop, precise targets, is a stunning power of Alpha Fibonacci System. This is a software for Ninja 8. And this is what I will be teaching in live class after the close of the trading room. How to identify these levels, hours, days, weeks, months and years in advance. Yesterday morning we were at institutional entry points. This was spectacular, flawless, market close on Tuesday, European session Wednesday, and market open Wednesday. This morning, we're in very different place. So price pulling back to this level, for day traders, it's an okay level of support. It is nowhere nearly as good as where price was at April 21st. This is what intelligent trader monitors next, because right now price is giving us exactly what we expected. Predictive precision is the power of the system. So this pullback is a gift for intelligent trader. Monitoring response at this support is crucial. So when I take you back to institutional levels, this is where we are right now. At key resistance, historical high, but the response yesterday morning reminded us clearly. Institutions keep buying every single pullback. There is no institutional sellers in this market. None are present. Buying into brick wall, not an option. And this is the support we're monitoring next. That's it. That's the system with institutional and day trading levels. So this is how you prepare for your trading day every single day. So we're already seeing buyers stepping in. If I convert this chart with the software, buyers already here. We knew this before it played out. This was my post identifying massive junk. This is key support. Intelligent trader absolutely expected this. Right now, intelligent trader separating junk from power. That's it. This is your trading range this morning. It has nothing in common with trading range yesterday, which was flawless. This morning it's far from flawless. Price extremely high, and that's your trading range this morning. We are no longer at the bottom. We are no longer at institutional points of entry. So this is key support in front of you. This is the core of live class after the close of the trading room. This is what you can view in modules 3 and 4 24/7. As students in more than 50 countries do. That's preparation for your trade. That determines the quality of your trade. How you prepare is almost everything. How you prepare defines stress-free trading with Alpha Fibonacci system. Your trading becomes strategic. Your trading becomes proactive. Your trading no longer reactive. Why people are so stressed out in day trading? For one simple reason, chasing the markets is never, ever, ever a good idea. So scanner already giving us long alerts. Everyone seeing this? So again, traders, I'm converting this chart to 1 minute so you can see the power of the system in front of you. This is the core of the class after the close of the trading room. Doesn't matter what chart you trade. Your preparation for your trade will determine your success. This is a trading range this morning. It's a very different morning than yesterday morning. So here comes the buyers on S&P traders. This is the power of the system. We're receiving multiple alerts on Dow and S&P reversing from critical support. Everyone seeing this? And that's the reason system traded globally on any instrument you choose. No speculation here, no gambling, none are present. Pure strategic and proactive trading. And that's pure strategic proactive trading. No speculation here, none are present. This is your trading range on a very different morning. Everyone seeing this? Finally. That's it. Critical support is present, which means you have zero interest in shorts. Critical support is present, you only interested in long. And when that plays out, simply identify what chart appropriate for you. Do not overcomplicate trading. This morning, we're nowhere near the ideal place. This morning, we're drastically higher. This morning, your targets are in very different place. So please exercise extreme caution. Remember what we discussed. Yesterday we had zero pain. As we will recap, market was flying because yesterday morning we were at institutional levels. This morning we do not have institutional levels. This morning we are only at little day trading levels. That makes a world of difference in your trading when you understand the difference between little day trading levels versus institutional points of entry. So this is the software in front of you right now. Intelligent Trader remained firm. Intelligent Trader remained unwavered. Intelligent Trader never ever ever shorting into support. There is a whole lot of pain and chop this morning because it's a day trading level. But at day trading support, your only option to buy. We discussed with students what is crucial right now. Intelligent trader knows it's a very different trade than yesterday morning. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. After this, we're off to class. Trade is not on 1 minute. Trade converted to 1 minute for the trading room only. Scanner keeps giving you alerts. Intelligent trader knows what alert appropriate for his or her trading. Pure price for entry, Alpha Fibonacci for exits. And that's in live class after the close of the trading room. Pure price with ultimate precision on a very challenging little day trading range. Nothing in common between spectacular institutional morning. Let me remind you what played out yesterday. So this was yesterday institutional morning. This is the reason I live and breathe what I do. But this is what played out before. Flawless, stunning, incredible work. Pay attention to time. 9:48, 28 minutes after the market opened. This was the maximum work day. Melvin was done up to 7 points, trading 1 hour per day. Manu is sharing massive trading maximum 20 to 30 minutes per day, but practice 15 to 20 hours per week. King, 11.5 points. Stunning, institutional morning. CEO shares, not more than 6 to 8 hours per week. Denzel, first week in the course, maximum 30 minutes per day. Denzel shares, trading Forex. King giving me very kind comments. And this is what played out 2 minutes after market open on institutional morning. Manu, 50 points on Dow. Theo, earlier this morning, 5.5 points S&P. King, another 40 points on pound dollar. Another 41 points. Theo, 275 points on S&P. This was institutional morning. 27 minutes after market open. Everyone is done. This morning is very, very different. Everyone knows and understands. Did we know or did we know that price will collapse here? Of course. That's your trading range on a very different trading range. We discussed this with students to the tick. Nothing else is possible, only this. But if I take you back to Apple, this was a key target on Apple. This was a bullish rally on Apple 2016, 2018. So when I discuss this with my incredible, stunning, magnificent students, they've done just fine, moving their targets at critical level, sharing, got this at the bottom, took 4 points on S&P because moved the stop outside of break-even, protecting the profits, 4 points on extremely challenging morning. Rajesh, second morning with us on NASDAQ. This my incredible students on very challenging morning today. What a stunning work. Welcome, Rajesh. Melvin, 2.75 point on S&P. Nothing in common between spectacular institutional morning yesterday versus today. And of course, if you want to trade Apple, you can. And of course, if you want to trade oil, you can. And of course, if you want to trade euro, you can. This is euro now. This is your trading range. It's institutional reversal zone. You are not entering into. Bullish rally is done. Oil in exact same place as S&P this morning, struggling immensely. That's it. That's the power of this system. If you want to trade Tesla, of course you can. This is Tesla with Alpha Fibonacci System. And this means the world, each and every day, to see how my incredible traders do. Those who are serious about trading, showing you each and every day. The sky's the limit with Alpha Fibonacci System, no matter what you trade. And if I take you back to S&P, what is S&P reminding you this morning? Take a look again. At the bold red line, at the bold green line, you never ever short. Your only option to buy. But as we've been discussing with my students this morning, this is a key level to the upside. Nothing else is possible, only this. And that's the summary for this week. From institutional levels to very little day trading levels to very dangerous narrow trading range. Those who make an effort, those who prepare, trading strategically on any instrument, on any time frame. Trading proactively, not reactively, with ultimate precision, with rule-based system. We are off to live class, where I will be teaching that preparation for your trade will determine your success. With Alpha Fibonacci System, you knew that this is key support, hours and days ahead. You knew that this is not the place to short, hours and days ahead. This is S&P little level, but this was Apple during the worst earnings ever. I say Alpha Fibonacci support will override horrific earnings. Do you remember Apple at this level? Do you remember what Apple done despite worst earnings? Do you? From 93 to 216? But when Apple crashed, you had opportunity to buy at the bottom, which you know months and months ahead. But this is S&P in front of you this morning on little retail chart doing exact same thing. Do you want to trade Apple? Do you want to trade oil? Do you want to trade S&P? Choice is yours. I promise you, it never gets sold. To see what traders do all over the world. And that's the reason I love what I do. Good morning, Denzel. Fantastic to see you. First week in the course, this is what Denzel does. Practicing with vengeance. Trading Forex. This is what Denzel loves to trade. Absolutely his choice. But when Theo killing it on Bitcoin, on futures, on any instrument of your choice, it's a very powerful reminder. Choose what's appropriate for you. This never, ever gets old. But when Ken keeps updating me that he's trading Bitcoin on his iPhone long term, of course you can. You decide. Do you want to be day trader or do you want to be position trader? Choice is yours. And that's the power of the system. From every single background music to my ears to see what traders do. The sky's the limit. It never gets old. I promise you that if you make an effort, you will do as well. We remained unwavered. We remained firm. Your only option to buy from support, but this is little day trading support. S&P skyrocketed 8 points. Yesterday was a very different morning. Yesterday we were at institutional levels, at institutional buy point on any chart of your choice. All discussions in live class next. And that's the power of the system. Choice is yours. What you will decide to trade. Stunning, spectacular work, everyone. Theo trading euro, yen. Denzel killing it on Nasdaq 100. Breathtaking. As Theo says, institutional levels set up with space below. Alpha Fibonacci System rocks. Theo does this in the middle of the night in Australia. Denzel in London, Ramiro in Bolivia, Eric, other students in US, I believe, I don't even know. But in this room this morning we have beginner traders with little account. We have retirees and we have hedge fund managers who are trading multi-million system with Alpha Fibonacci system. Choice is yours. And that's Alpha Fibonacci system this week in front of you in the live market. So if you decide to join us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. Your journey, your story will be part of our global community of traders who are trading any and every instrument. From S&P to Dow to Nasdaq to futures to Forex, to stocks, to Bitcoin, to cryptocurrency, to options, from Florida, Alabama, to London, to Saudi Arabia, to France, to Italy, to Morocco, to Africa, from beginner to hedge fund manager, trading Alpha Fibonacci system, as you viewed the power this morning. So if you listen to the podcast from Brad, how he went from $10 an hour to average $3,500 per day, how Manuel brought his wife and best friend to the course, how Carlton working trading with hedge fund, trying for 12 years before, that you saw Ken is trading cryptocurrency, Richard quadrupled his retirement account, David trading it all. Listen and view what's possible. Live classes next. This is a lifetime system for any platform or lifetime software for Ninja 8. Video library modules included live trading room, private mentoring, opening up Only 2 spots starting next month. In private mentoring, I meet with you one-on-one. I quiz you, I test you, I teach you exact same trade I taught to JP Morgan trader. Group classes, video library, modules included. So please view what students share. Listen and view their reviews. Listen to their podcasts. You can be one of our incredible traders. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. That's the power of the system. Again and again and again, this morning and always. So please arrive to the trading room on time, because if you miss the events of this morning, it's a very powerful reminder. Only if you trade a sniper, only if you operate with ultimate quality, you will succeed. Your trading day, maximum this morning, 40 minutes. We're done. We're off to the live class. Thank you everyone for spectacular week. Thank you everyone for spectacular reminder. The skies are the limit with Alpha Fibonacci system if you make an effort.